Money, money. There is this question that have been
Okay.
bothering me. I don't know if I'm thinking out loud, but I need to think out loud at this point.
Hmm.
And the question goes thus: is our smartphones making us stupid?
Hey! Oh my God. I'm thinking about that question
Serious.
again. It's a serious issue.
Serious.
When you hear the question, it's first going to reverberate in your mind like, bang.
Yeah.
Okay, but this is what I think.
Okay. Okay.
It's a yes and a no. Ask me why.
Why?
Because if you are stupid, you are stupid. So if a stupid person, if a stupid person is using the phone in a stupid way, there are many parameters to it, but this is scenario number one.
Okay.
If a stupid person is using the phone can actually aid your stupidity and you become more stupid.
Hey, voila.
Truly speaking. And a stupid person that says, okay, I'm stupid, maybe I should try to do things better. The phone can also help you to going into a better person. And if you are not really stupid, if you are a good person, really, or I don't want to say you are not really stupid. If you are not a stupid person and you are using your phone, what you do is a reflection of yourself, really. You understand?
Yeah.
So if the phone, you are using the phone if the phone is doing stupid things, it's the person behind the phone that is stupid.
Not the phone itself.
Not the phone itself. Yes, so our smartphones can help us to become stupid if you are inherently stupid.
You know, I came across this stuff and it also says that smartphone in such a way has actually helped us to navigate from the memory lane. We have to memorize numbers and with a search of one or two, the answers is there. But now, that's where the catch comes in. Over-reliance on smartphone, like any little topic or any little question, we want to go to find out the answer, now makes us to be dull mentally.
So, I hear what you're saying, and it's a real life issue.
Yes.
It's real. But recently, there's a school in America called Alpha Schools.
Okay.
So what they do, it's a new concept, right?
Yeah.
It's a very new concept where the children, right, spend about an hour or 2 hours of your school interacting with AI. So the AI is teaching you.
Okay.
The AI is teaching you based on your understanding. You get my point? So the AI is gauging where is this person? It's like having a personal home.
Tutor.
Exactly. But for a period of 1 or 2 hours in the school, right?
Okay.
After that, it's all extracurricular activities, sports, debate, hands-on learning. You understand? This is actually building a new future for people, a new society where you can rely on the AI and also be able to be very independent. You understand? Because for our generation, I think that vast majority, the things don't spoil already.
We are more
because
dependent on AI.
more and more. now, everybody don't enter ChatGPT. But we are all indirectly, it has an adverse effect. Some people are going to become more lazy. Lazy. I don't want to use the word dumb. It's aiding our laziness. So,
and also, the problem of once you're out of bed, first thing notification, want to check how far, you want to scroll to the top, scroll to WhatsApp, check the chat and the rest. That stuff is affecting us.
Well,
should we keep this phone somewhere?
I think it is a matter of that one is very individual. There are some people that have their routine, right? I wake up by 5 a.m. This is what I do. I pray. I do this. Then I go to my phones and check. It's that one is there, but it's really individual. I'm not trying to downplay it. I think there are more people waking up, then the first thing they go to is their phone than people that wake up, do other things before they go to their phones. Yeah.
Yes. So, in a nutshell, We will say it's a yes and a no.
I know, yes. The question is, are smartphones making us stupid? Like I said before, now yes and no. If it is a stupid person behind the phone, the smartphone is going to aid your stupidity.
So that if it's a stupid man carries smartphone, you go turn smartphone into stupid phone.
He go do stupid things. He will do stupid things. The phone will aid him very well to do the stupid things. Yeah, that's what it is.
So I would say it's like having a knife. You can either use it to slice the bread or you can use it to cause harm.
Yeah.
So it's not dependence on the handler.
Yeah, of the knife. Right. True. That's a very good analogy.
So guys, now in the comment section, let us know, are smartphones actually making us stupid? Like, I want to hear your own side of the story.
Yes. It's going to be a very interesting conversation.
Because we'll come back to this. This is just like an introduction to this topic. There is more to this.
True.
Yes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy what you see, make sure you like, follow, and let us share.
Okay.
Update us if you want to see more of this, because surely come for more.
Okay. All right. Peace
out.